Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE examination. This question came on 31st August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says a system consists of two identical spheres, each of mass 1.5 kg and radius 50 centimeter at the end of a light rod. The distance between the center of the two sphere is 5 meter. Okay, so you have been given a two sphere and a light rod has been suspended, and light rod is there to suspend these two spheres, and the center to center distance between them is given by relationship, and it is given as 5 meter. And its radius is also given as 50 centimeters, so that means it is half meter. This is half meter, don't you think? Okay, and this is a light rod which is through which these two rods are suspended. Okay, so this much of setup has been given to you. What will be the moment of inertia of the system about an axis perpendicular to the rod passing through its midpoint? So what would be its moment of inertia at a point, moment of inertia about an axis perpendicular to the rod? So it has to be, rod is in this plane, so it has to be perpendicular to the rod and at the middle point. So here what would be the moment of inertia that you need to find out? We also know that moment of inertia at this particular point is given by relationship. Because of the sphere, it is given by moment of inertia because of the solid sphere, it is given by 2 by 5 mr square. Okay, so at this particular point moment of inertia is 2 by 5 mr square. So because of the individual sphere, the moment of inertia at this particular point would be moment of inertia at this particular point, let it be midpoint M. So at a point M, because of single sphere, it would be 2 by 5 mr square, which is moment of inertia at the center, which is moment of inertia at the center of mass, plus m times the perpendicular distance whole square. So let this perpendicular distance, let it be d, so it would be m into d square. So this is your parallel axis theorem that we already know. Okay, this is moment of inertia because of individual sphere. What would be the moment of inertia because of this sphere also? It would also be equal. Okay, so the total moment of inertia at this particular axis and perpendicular axis, it must be equal to twice of moment of inertia of individual. Okay, so Im, so it would be twice of 2 by 5 mr square plus md square. Okay, don't you think? So it would be twice of 2 by 5 mass of the individual sphere is 1.5, which is 3 by 2 into what would be its radius? Radius is 50 centimeter, which is half meter. So it would be equal to half whole square plus 3 by 2. What would be this distance? This distance must be equal to half of 5 meter, which is 2.5, which is nothing but 5 by 2. So it would be 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, this is the expression that you are getting. So twos can easily be cancelled out, and you'll be getting over here as 1 by 10, 3 by 10, plus again 2 would go over there, so 2 will gonna cancel out each other. So you'll be getting 75 by 2 will gonna cancel out, so by 4. So eventually you'll be getting 0.3 plus, okay, somewhat close to 18, so in 18 point something 8. Okay, finally if you'll solve it, you'll get this answer as 19.05. okay, what you can do in this particular question is, first of all you have to find out the individual moment of inertia at the center of mass of individual sphere, and using parallel axis theorem you can easily find out moment of inertia at this particular point. So this is a moment of inertia because of the individual sphere, and because of the another sphere it would be twice, because since this distance is also d, which is 2.5, and the diameter is also identical, so you can easily multiply it with twice. So we can easily multiply it with twice, and eventually you will get the answer. Okay, so the final answer that comes out to be, which is 19.05. 5. Okay, I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.